Now you're gonna make me cry in public. Come on. My friend Naya and I are gonna do the toast together, buck with tradition a little bit. We also both gave beautiful speeches yesterday. Many of you were not there. You must be so bummed that you missed it. But we're gonna hit a couple of the highlights. We're actually gonna take longer than the 30 seconds we've been allotted as well. What are they gonna do? So one of the things I said yesterday was to all of the parents and grandparents and guardians and trusted adults that have helped you get to this point, to come and gaze upon your graduate. Now, they're not sitting right next to you, so this worked better yesterday. Pretend that you can see them. They're up here. They look gorgeous. Look at these faces. I mean, come on. But what I said yesterday, and it's still true today, is that we are in the presence of greatness. These are an amazing, extraordinary group of young people who are going out into a world that they didn't create. They are heirs to problems they didn't create, but we need them to help us resolve these problems. And I have been so proud to be part of this community, especially this year and this semester, because I have witnessed that greatness on the ground. I am so proud of our students. I am so proud of them for navigating great uncertainty and for taking what they learned here and navigating not only their projects, which are delightful. I've read through all of the different titles and I'm just amazed, as always, at the kind of work that our students produce, but that they also manage to navigate an existential crisis in the college's history and are sitting here upright today, having produced absolutely extraordinary work. And so now I'm going to fiddle with the bottle and let Naya take over for a second.
All right, so real quick. I'm Naya, as she just said, and I use she, they pronouns. And yesterday, one thing that I said was that we're all family. And that doesn't end just because you graduate and go off into the great wherever, okay? So just know that. And the other thing I wanted to let you know is to have a plan, but leave space for it to change, as this semester taught us, for sure. And one example of that for me was that I had this grand idea that my speech would involve a live painting, but I didn't have enough time for that. So instead, I made y'all a painting yesterday. And if you check my Instagram, I posted a picture of it. Yeah. And I also brought it with me. The reason I brought it with me is because I want you all to sign it on the back. So, yeah. So find me and, we can make that happen. All right.
So we had a little trouble getting the foil off the champagne bottle, but Ken helped us. He came to our rescue yet again. And we're going to give him $1 for this. Congratulations, class of 2019!